the art of communication. Sometimes the smartest move is staying quiet. People often ask, how do I communicate better? How do I speak in a way that sounds confident and persuasive? But the truth is this: good communication isn't just about what you say, it's also about what you choose not to say. And here are 10 things you should absolutely keep to yourself if you want a smoother life and fewer problems. 10 things you should never say out loud. 1. Family conflicts. Not everything happening at home needs to be shared. 2. How much money you have. Your bank account is your business. 3. Secrets someone trusted you with. If it was given in confidence, keep it locked. 4. The exact way you make your money. Not everyone needs to know your blueprint. 5. Your physical insecurities or flaws. Some things don't need an audience. 6. Other people's private matters. If it's not your story, don't tell it. 7. Plans that aren't complete yet. Don't brag too early, let results speak. 8. Achievements you gain through connections. No need to expose your backstage. 9. The profit you earn from clients or partners. Keep that quietly professional. 10. Special treatment or favors from leadership. Sharing this only creates jealousy and trouble. And here are 5 personality traits to avoid, for your sake and everyone else's. 1. Talking too much. Even tiny details can be used against you. 2. A hot temper. Reacting too quickly ruins deals and relationships. 3. Being unable to swallow minor frustrations. Someone says one sentence, you want to fire back with 10. You only exhaust yourself. 4. Not knowing the difference between sincerity and small talk. Trusting too easily leads to disappointment. 5. Thinking anyone you click with is a soulmate. True confidants are rare. Don't open your whole heart too quickly. At work, remember these 4 rules no matter where you are. 1. You work to earn money. Your salary is real. Most emotions in the workplace are not. 2. Don't let coworkers or managers drain your emotional energy. If they gossip, smile and move on. If the boss criticizes you, listen, fix it, keep going. If the paycheck still arrives at the end of the month, you're good. 3. Every workplace comes with pressure and drama. Wherever there are people, there will be gossip and frustration. It's normal. 4. You're just a human being. Do your job well, then go home and live your life fully. 5. Protect your inner peace above everything else. In the end, the scariest thing in life isn't money or power, it's the mindset you choose to live with. A clear mind creates a strong life. Good awareness leads to good decisions, and good decisions build a good future.